In today's video, I'll show you how to transform lighting and colors in Hogwarts Legacy using a lightweight reshade preset. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, scroll down and go to files. In the natural lighting reshade, this is the original natural lighting reshade. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you need to log into the site guys. After that it will start download. After the download done, select it, right click on the reshade and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder and this is the configuration settings. Now open up new tab and search reshade and select the reshade.com site and select the download option and select download reshade option. After the download done, click on it, select OK option and you need to navigate to the game folder. Open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to Hogwarts Legacy and select manage and select this open install location and copy this file path and then just close off here and select the browse option and paste the path we copied and press enter and open the Phoenix folder binaries win64 Hogwarts Legacy.exe and select open option and select next DirectX 10 11 12 and select next. Select the browse option and go to downloads and open the natural light reshade we extracted. Select the configuration settings and open option and select next. Select this skip option and select finish. We have successfully installed the reshade. Launch the game. After you are in the game, press in keyboard home key and this panel will opens up. Select the continue option, continue and go to settings. Effects toggle key, set a key you like. I'm gonna set it to 1 and go back to home and select continue option. Again finish, reload option and now press the toggle key guys. In my case I set it to 1. Effects are disabled, press 1 to enable them again. Press the toggle key and to close this panel press the home key to close it. And now I show you guys before and after. This is after effects and we are just gonna before and this is before and this is after. Lots of improvement in graphics. I hope this video helped you guys. So if the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.